Hello, Daft Scots here, and this is a video response to DaveCadBlog's A to Z of Life. Ready? This is also going to be off the top of my head, so it might be just full of random crap. 1, 2, 3, go. A. Aardvark. Just because I like saying the word. Yeah, fun word to say. B. BFF, which is my best friend forever. She means the world to me. C. Crumpets. I love crumpets. We actually call them pancakes here, but crumpets it is, with jam and fresh cream. D. For Dukin diet. I've lost 10 kilos so far. E. Eggy bread. I love eggy bread, which is another word for it is probably French toast. Can't have it at the moment, but I love it. G is for Gillian. That would be me, Daft Scots lass. H would be Hickory Dickory Dock. I don't know. Couldn't think of anything with H there. I would be ink. Yes, love tattoos. And I'm having a competition at the moment, Bloggers Ink Challenge. Go to my website and check it out. Go to my blog, check it out. Go to my YouTube, check it out. Go to my Twitter, check it out. Go to my Pinterest, check it out. All of those good things, right? What was it on? I. J. J. Ooh, jigsaw. I don't do jigsaw puzzles, but my daughters certainly do. K is for this is harder than I thought. Crikey, I can't think of anything. I'll come back to that one. K. L. Lip gloss. I love lip gloss. Anything shiny, girly lip gloss. L. M. Look here, Macbeth. Luckily to have things lying around. Anyway, N would be knobbly knees. No, that's K. Well, that could be for K then. Didn't I have something for K? I don't think I did. Anyway, knobbly bobblies. Forget that one. N. M. N. O would be for osteoporosis. I don't know. Can't think of anything else. Oh, P for penis. Yeah, girl can't live with a penis. PQ would be for quilt. A bit old-fashioned, but still very trendy. Q. R. What can I do with R? Roger Rabbit, no. Rockin' Robin, no. Let's skip R. S for snot. Sisters, my big sister. Yes, she's a big part of my life. T for tomato. I hate tomatoes. What else could I do for T? I don't know. U. Ugly mug. No. This is not going very well, is it? V. Violin, just because it sounds so pretty. W. Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Love that movie. W. X for X-rated movies. Y. Yobble. No. Yorkie. Yorkies are too cute, aren't they? Z for zigzag. And that's my A to Z. A bit lame if you ask me, but there it is. Right back at you. Bye.